Everybody, it's game time. So my crazy lucky streak has got me thinking very carefully about what boxes to buy right now. Obviously it cannot last forever. Nothing can, nothing does. So I'm trying to think back and think, what is something that I bought that I didn't get anything all that great out of and kind of wished I had, and maybe my little lucky streak will carry over and there's lots of potential. Well, Elite Draft Picks, that's something that's going to give you 5 autographs, and if you're lucky, one of those will be good. If you're very, very lucky, one of those will be good and be a SSP, short numbered parallel. So this has Saquon and Baker, both of which I've pulled lately and would love to pull again. And of course there are other good rookies from the 2018 class that would not be terrible pulled out of this box. So without further ado, we're going to get into this. I have opened a good bit of this, like I did the retail, the jumbo pack, the jumbo rat pack boxes, and those are great for stocking up on rookies. You know, they have the 2 variations of each rookie in this box, in this product. But as far as the autographs go and that stuff, it's pretty, pretty low tier. You'd be extremely, extremely lucky to get a good autograph out of those retail versions of this. So, but this is hobby, and there are 5 packs. And yeah, that's it. Let's see what we get. Can the crazy luck carry over? Alright, there's the first autograph turned around up there. Okay, Jameis Winston, AP, a Matt Ryan status parallel die cut to 49. Oh sweet, the first autograph is Fumagalli. That's not bad. A sticker auto. Pretty good start. And then there is a Saquon Elite Series. Lazard, Goddard, John Kelly. Try not to touch these too much. These pick up fingerprints, something terrible. Hines, Oliver, Josh Allen, Ronnie Harrison, Arden Key, Connor Williams, and Foom. So a decent first pack. Alright, moving on, we have Barry Switzer, Marcus Dupree, a Ray Lewis. This is numbered out of 99. Looks like purple aspirations. Next auto is David Wells. Trying to think of who David Wells is, so if I can't think of who he is right off the bat, not the best pull, I guess. Passing the torch, Woodson and Ricky Williams. Alright, and then our rookies are Christian Kirk, Josh Rosen, Anthony Miller, Derwin James. There's a Saquon, Hayden Hurst, Lazard, Goddard, Kelly, and Hines. And keep in mind, you just heard those names, but they may be the other variation, a different variation. So, alright, pack 3. Looking for something good. Fournette, Clay Helton, a Cortland Sutton draft picks to 49, red. Next auto is Micah Kaiser parallel to 75. Mac Brown, Ricky Williams, Luke Falk, Mark Andrews, James Washington, Landry, Akram Wadley, Christian Kirk, Josh Rosen, Anthony Miller, Derwin James, and another Saquon. So got a couple of Saquons there. Alright, nothing too good yet. 2 more packs. Only get 5 shots at this, so we shall see. Odell, Dalvin Cook, Dante Pettis to 99. Next auto is Kurt Benkert, and this is numbered out of 25. Definitely a good looking card. Sweet looking parallel. So 2 parallel versions, that's good. Josh Allen, Chain Reaction. Alright, Wea, Gallup, Cobbs, Schultz, Petway, Falk, Andrews, Washington, Landry, and Wadley. Alright, last pack. Looking like Crazy Luck's not going to carry over into this one. We'll do the auto last though, just for fun, just to see. Alright, Josh Allen and Bradley Chubb, Kane and Cortland Sutton, Hurst and Wea, Gallup and Cobbs Jr., Schultz and Petway. And we have Von Miller, Kareem Hunt, Ray Lewis, and Jordan Whitehead. Whoa, about to, oh, there is a Josh Rosen hiding back there. There's the Whitehead auto. And Josh Rosen primary colors. So my inserts were good. Definitely a couple of Rosens, a couple of good rookies in there, a couple of Saquons. We'll go through the autographs again, and I'll try not to drop them, of course. Again, I'm trying to be careful because they're so, they just soak up fingerprints. The Whitehead, the best looking one of the bunch was definitely this Benkert. Again, this was to 25. The Kaiser to 75. David Wells and Fume. So, okay box, not the greatest. My Crazy Luck definitely wasn't a factor here. So, I don't know, it was fun to open. Good stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. Everybody take care. Please like and subscribe and hit that little notification button so you will be notified of the next box. I've got some more stuff coming up. Trying to wheel this Crazy Luck streak onto some other boxes and see if I can get some more amazing pulls. So, be there to see it. Thanks. Take care.